Hey everyone, this is Tim with Bevan Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade hot sauce. This year we grew a lot of peppers, tabasco, jalapenos, cayennes, habaneros, banana peppers, all sorts of stuff. And so they're all about ready, and what I'm going to do is bottle them up and make my own hot sauce. So right here you can see all of our peppers. I have a blender to put it in, I have some vinegar over here, I have garlic, and of course you have a beer and a knife to cut all up. So what I'm gonna do is cut the stems off the peppers. I'm gonna put them into the blender because I want the seeds and everything. I like it hot. And we're gonna add some garlic and some vinegar, and really that's about it. So let me do that real quick and then we'll go on from there. I almost forgot to mention, you want to wear gloves. This will burn you. Okay, now I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of garlic to my blender here. And I think we're just going to fill it up with vinegar. Okay, so we filled vinegar up to almost to the top of the peppers. We want it to be able to blend easily. So we're going to do this real quick and see how it turns out. Try the sauce. That's hot. Oh my gosh, that's hot, but it's really good. That's good flavor. Okay, here is what we got. It looks like about 2 cups, and it's pretty spicy, but it is good. And we also added a tiny bit of salt at the end, just for flavor. It's great. So this is how you make homemade buffalo sauce.